If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Bro, we're getting closer and closer to Big Bang's comeback, and it's getting me excited. It's like almost nostalgia. Girl, I'm gonna get emotional during this reaction. I don't know if I'm gonna tear up because it's been so long and I've been waiting for this. I don't know if you've been waiting for this, but as a VIP, hell yeah. It's your boy JRE. We're gonna go through like the teasers. I'm on G-Dragon's IG page, which he did post all the, teasers. Obviously the first one is 4 different colors of red, yellow, pink, and white. The last thing that came out was Flowers Road. Flowers are blooming. They're ready. G-Dragon, let's talk about G-Dragon's teaser. Like, G-Dragon's teaser, he got that long hair, got the little rainbow effect right here. I mean, rainbow dye. You see the green, maybe pink, red, yellow, orange, all over the place with a fur coat. To be honest, I'm excited to see all their outfits, especially G-Dragon's TOPs as well. I don't even know what to do with myself because GD is like one of the people that I always wanted to like interview because I feel like his mind is so unique. Still life. G-Dragon's back, baby. We got Taeyang, Young Bae, laying in a bed of flowers or the ground. It looks like he has longer hair too. I'm not even sure how that's gonna look like. He's side-eyeing and everything. He got that jean jacket on. Does he got a jean jacket on? I don't know. Based on the teaser, it feels like it's gonna be very chill. I'm not sure. I'm trying to predict how it's gonna sound. Like, it's getting me. I can't wait. When is the teaser coming out? When is the trailer? It's almost time. It's right now. When recording this, it's March 31st. What is that, 6 days? My bias, Taeyang. I can't wait to hear his vocals again, bro. I can't wait. Hopefully he has a solo as well because I would love another solo album or EP or single from all of them, actually. But he looking good. He looking scrumptious. He laying on the ground, you know what I'm saying, waiting for his boo thing or something like that. Now, Daesung with the hair. Daesung with he got a long-ass neck. I just realized, look how long his neck is. God damn. Sorry. The hair is just luxurious. That shit looks so soft. You already know that thing. That's a photo. That's a photo. That's a teaser right there. That got me shook. I was like, the hair. Still cover his eyes though. Still cover his eyes like they always usually do. They always got his hair always covering the eyes. I'm like, but it looks so. Oof. I can't wait to hear his voice too. His voice is so powerful and unique too. Then we got TOP, who is the one that you have to like scroll in to see. Obviously he's covered up from top to bottom per usual, never showing his arms. Bro, I remember the first time when we saw TOP's arms, everybody's like, oh my god, he's showing off skin. But he got a mask on, hat on, jean jacket on, pants, nice shoes, looking like Uggs, but I don't even know what it is. It probably costs 6 months of my rent. Hey, LA's expensive. Okay, so if you want to support the homie, go check him out on Twitch and subscribe. What you guys should do, go follow on Twitch, hit that subscribe. You do have to pay, but if you have Amazon Prime, you can do it for free. Go check out Drake Gaming. We're gonna be talking about Big Bang over there. We do gaming over there as well, as you see, but go check it out. Last but not least, we got this scene. I think someone explained what this meant, or what does it mean. The lyric poster says, our spring, summer, autumn, and winter will be beautiful. I don't know. I feel like it's not gonna be the last. I feel like it would sadden me if this is the last one, but I don't think so. And I think the sound hopefully might be like Bebe. Maybe, or they could just switch it up and do oh my god, I can't predict it. I really can't predict what it's gonna sound like, to be honest. Does anybody else know? Do you know? I don't know. Put a comment down below what you guys think, and if you're excited for this comeback. I'm excited for this comeback. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get emotional. Deadass, I'm gonna have like an intro for Big Bang. I'm gonna ride or die for Big Bang. Tell me in the likes of this video how much are you excited for Big Bang. If we get like 1,000 likes, I'd be like, okay, let's go VIPs. I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. It's like me being young again when I first started doing YouTube. Big Bang, you inspire me. You inspire me. You inspire so many other artists in the K-pop industry too. Y'all goated, bruh. Anyways, it's your boy Jared. Before I could talk about Big Bang on and on, but let's go. Let's stop this. We'll wait till the first trailer or teaser. You'll see me again. And if you do show up to my Twitch live streams, I'll be streaming today at 3 p.m. PST. Hey, stop me. Let's talk about Big Bang for a bit. You know what I'm saying? Say hi. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.